अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं अक्सर मंसूर और इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं अनसब जहांगीर के स्टूडियो में विद टू क्रिएटिव हेड्स ऑफ अनसब जहांगीर.
Hi, I'm Ansab.
And I'm Zoha.
अच्छा, मुझे थोड़ा सा ये बताएं व्हाट अनसब जहांगीर इज़ अबाउट.
So basically, we're dealing with a whole range of clothes. We do luxury pret, formals, and bridals. So we're catering to basically each and every event that is there, possibly for women.
तो आप लोगों का नया ब्राइडल कलेक्शन निकला है, सो व्हाट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन बिहाइंड इट?
So the latest bridal collection is called Diya, which everyone has been talking about. It is based on the rich, culture of Pakistan. That is why we shot it in the interiors, and we shot it in a farmhouse in Gharo, which is in Sindh. So it's just taking away from whatever our region has to offer. So most of the colors and most of the designs are being taken out from that, and that was the design inspiration behind it.
ओके, सो इस ब्राइडल कलेक्शन में क्या क्या कुछ इंक्लूडेड है? हमने मेहंदी के कपड़े भी देखे, शादी के भी देखे, माइयों के भी देखे, एंड देयर वाज दिस न्यू थिंग ब्राइडल शावर के भी. तो इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें इंक्लूडेड आप लोगों ने की हैं?
What we did was we wanted to show every event that happens during your shadi. So bridal shower, mayo, mehndi, nikah, walima, all the events. So we wanted to give it a very real feel as well. And that's why we used the bride herself and bridesmaids also. So we made a very real concept that people could relate to it, and we played accordingly.
Okay, for this wedding collection आपने कौन कौन से फैब्रिक यूज़ किया है, या what the fabric that you'll suggest कि ये यूज़ करना चाहिए?
So there were organzas, very sheer, nice, beautiful organzas. There was crepe, there was raw silk, cotton net. It was basically each and every fabric that we could use. There was chicken curry used as a base fabric, and then we worked on it. So there were lots and lots of fabrics and textures in place.
तो इस कलेक्शन में कौन कौन से कलर्स यूज़ किए हैं, या किस पैलेट पे काम किया गया है, या कौन सी पैलेट ऐसी है जिसको आप इन फ्यूचर भी लेके चलेंगे?
सारे इवेंट्स थे तो बहुत ही डाइवर्स कलर पैलेट था. यू नो हाउ मेहंदी में बहुत ट्रेडिशनल कलर्स पहने जाते हैं, जूल टोन्स होती हैं. शादी इज़ जेनेरिकली बहुत रेड्स होते हैं. सो वी प्लेड विद वेरी कन्वेंशनल जो बिल्कुल ऑन द पॉइंट कलर्स हैं. And then again we went into the pastels, which are more reception, nikah, engagement, all of those looks. So बहुत diverse color palette था. Next collection का we have not we have not thought of it, but like this year we played with, I feel like, from a very 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 brighter color to a very softer tone. So it was just a very very diverse color palette.
So इस कैंपेन में हमने आयज़ा खान की बहन भी देखी, और ये किसका आइडिया था कि हम आयज़ा खान की बहन को यूज़ करेंगे and we show that bond? So whose idea was it?
This was of course Aiza's idea, and it was a very cute moment that we captured on screen because she doesn't do it commercially, but Aiza wanted her to be a part of it, and we were like, for a very small, kind of an occasion, we could show that she was very it showed real emotions. So definitely, yeah, like we were obviously very excited to have her on board, and we were like, let's do it.
What's your take on having Turkish stars or Turkish models as for bridal?
We do work with international celebrities like we have in the past, but I feel like we are very big on promoting our local talent. हमारे country में बहुत stronger stars हैं, and we love working with them, and I think we would continue to show them on an international scale rather than doing the opposite.
So इस bridal collection की price range क्या है? अगर किसी को आपके पास आना है तो वो कितना बजट अपने माइंड में रख के लेके आए?
So the bridal collection, it starts from actually the formals, because इसमें हमने formals भी काफ़ी incorporate किए हैं. They start from rupees 1,75,000. That's the starting, and till the bridals they go up to 700,000 rupees. Okay. Yeah, so that's the range, and इसमें formals भी हैं, bridals भी. तो इस collection की ये range है basically.
So what is the one fabric that you'll suggest कि ये bridal के लिए नहीं है and we should stop using it?
I do not like chiffon at all. Why? Cannot do chiffon. ओवर टाइम वो बहुत वेट उसका फॉल हो के फैब्रिक स्ट्रेच हो जाता है. उसके अंदर वेट है, इट टेक्स अप अ लॉट ऑफ वेट फॉर श्योर, but then it starts ripping from the corners.
And especially when you have, work on your shirt and sleeves पे chiffon fabric होता है, it just rips.
Okay, so talking about Corona, how difficult was it for you guys कि in time से अपना पूरा bridal collection launch करना, और क्या क्या difficulties आई?
So, okay, like we said, Pakistan has seen a very better kind of a side of Corona. Things are getting better. People have started doing events. I mean, on a much smaller scale, of course. लेकिन ये कि शादी तो सबकी एक ही दफ़ा होती है, and I feel like a bride is a bride at the end of the day. The event ends, but your pictures last you forever. So, the girl who wanted and planned her wedding for months or years, and now cannot do it on that scale should at least enjoy her day, even if the outfit is heavier on the side, you know. So why not? I feel like, and the response has been great. People want to order clothes that are not very light. They want to look like they are the brides. And yeah, so I feel like we were a little scared, but alhamdulillah, things have been fine.
So what's the trend this season?
2020 is basically obviously longer lengths. Without those are back in. The peplums and the shorter lengths are slightly going out. Mostly we're doing more structured looks, more structured longer shirts. There are kalidars, there are angarkhas. Most collection has been redirected towards traditional kind of looks. They're very regal, very old school. वो सब है. Lehenga cholis I feel are like classics. वो तो हमेशा ही रहते हैं. They never die out. Gowns तो अभी तक चल रहे हैं. Full length gowns लोगों को reception पे चाहिए होते हैं.
But lehenga choli में भी इस बार we did a variety. So when we did brighter colors like red and mustard yellow, we also did powder pink and dusty pink and ombre. We did different colors.
We're more into solids, so rather than doing 10 colors together. Like our lehenga cholis were more like solid. So if it was a mustard, it was a mustard overall look. If it was a watermelon pink, it was an overall look. So we didn't do lots of colors. We did more solidified looks. हमने हमारी Pret में भी launch की थी हमारी signature line जो थी. उसमें we did solids and it was like it was all over the place. Everyone loved it. And that's what we did in our formals and bridals as well.
Okay, so what's the one thing that the brides need to stop asking for?
By not choosing a silhouette that is flattering her body cut. So
also by not opting for the right makeup, because I feel like everything has to fall in place together. Like it doesn't matter makeup acha hai and outfit nice, it has to be hand in hand. So you really need to know the makeup is blending in with your outfit. So बहुत दफ़ा होता है कि मेकअप के भी ब्लंडर्स हो जाते हैं और जो आउटफिट से मिसमैच हो जाती है हर चीज़. So that kind of throws it off.
Jewelry mismatch हो जाती है. Like if your outfit has silver work and लोग gold की jewelry पहन लेते हैं. So वो भी ना it kills the jewelry and it kills the outfit as well.
Yeah, it has to fall in place together.
A lot of our brides, they actually even ask us, they take fashion advice from us. They say that, oh, where should we go for jewelry or makeup or hair? So we always tell them कि this is इसके साथ इस तरह का look करें, इस तरह का makeup. So we really are there.
We help them out with the whole look, like with your hair and your makeup, like so we actually give them style advice as well.
Okay, so December आ रहा है and you know that this is शादी season. तो आपका क्या suggestion या message होगा for brides?
I feel like it really depends on what event you're looking for. If it's your nikah or engagement or a walima, we would definitely suggest go for pastels. And if it's your mehndi or shadi, then I would say more brighter hues. That would do the trick.
Shadi in itself, I strongly believe, is red. And I feel like brides should look into that. That's the real shadi color. Like a girl usually never wears red so often in her life. She usually नहीं पहना जाता. आप लोग बहुत कम red पहनते हैं. So that is one day which is like your day. So a red bridal is like no other bridal. Personally, that is my choice for like shadi brides. But then again, you have other occasions. उसमें आप हर color के साथ play कर सकते हैं.
Thank you so much for having us over.
Thank you so much for coming, and it was lovely talking to you too.
इस वक्त हम मौजूद थे अनसब जहांगीर के स्टूडियो में और हमें पता चला कि इस शादी सीजन क्या चीज़ है इन और क्या चीज़ है आउट. फॉर मोर फैशन अपडेट्स एंड टू नो मोर अबाउट अस, फॉलो अस ऑन समर लाइफस्टाइल.